English learning in Nigeria, the role of NGOs. Hello, learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of English language learning in Nigeria and more specifically, how non-governmental organizations, NGOs, play a pivotal role in this process. Understanding this will not only give you insights into the Nigerian language landscape but also show the power of collective efforts in education. Nigeria, with its diverse ethnic groups and languages, adopted English as its official language during colonial times. Today, English holds significant importance, serving as a bridge among different communities. It's used in business, education, and governance. However, mastering English can sometimes pose challenges, especially in rural areas where access to quality education might be limited. This is where NGOs step in. Non-governmental organizations, or NGOs, are non-profit groups that operate independently of government. In Nigeria, several NGOs are dedicated to promoting English language learning. They 1. Provide resources. Many NGOs offer books, digital tools, and other resources to schools and communities. 2. Conduct workshops and training. These are tailored for teachers to enhance their skills and for students to improve their proficiency. 3. Promote cultural exchange. Some NGOs connect Nigerian students with peers in English-speaking countries, promoting language learning through cultural exchange. Over the years, NGOs in Nigeria have made commendable progress. Let's take a quick look at some. 1. Mobile libraries. Some NGOs have introduced mobile libraries, reaching out to remote areas and providing access to English books and learning materials. 2. Online platforms. Leveraging technology, certain NGOs have launched e-learning platforms catering specifically to the Nigerian audience. 3. Community engagement. Workshops and community programs that engage parents and elders ensure that learning is a collaborative effort. While NGOs have made significant strides, there's always more to do. 1. Collaboration. Partnering with local businesses and international entities can provide more resources and expertise. 2. Adapting to change. As the world becomes more digital, finding innovative ways to integrate technology into learning is crucial. 3. Feedback loop. Regular feedback from communities will help NGOs tailor their approaches more effectively. The journey of English language learning in Nigeria is enriched by the tireless efforts of NGOs. They bridge gaps, provide resources, and ensure that English, as a tool of unity and progress, reaches every corner of the nation. We hope this video has shed light on their monumental efforts. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.